name is Chen Ming. I study in construction engineering and management in City University. In this summer, I went to Poly Industry Center to join the 7-day summer training. In this video, I'm going to explain what I did in these 7 days. Day 1. Structural steel work. In this day, I learned many things about structural steel. I watched a video called How a HB is Made. The tutor also showed us how to use the welding and cutting machine. He used a lot of work to emphasize the safety. He needs to wear a safety clothes and goggles. Then we are given a job of making a steel chair. Although cutting and welding is a hard and dangerous job, it's the first time for me to do such things. Therefore, it's very challenging, and therefore, I enjoy the process very much. I think it's a good starting point of the meaningful 7-day trainings. Day 2. Formwork. In this day, we are required to make a formwork by ourselves. We first cut the plywood into correct size and then insert them by nail and hammer. Although it seemed to be not too difficult, making a accuracy dimension formwork is really not so easy. Even if we got just very minor mistake, it can cause leakage or the quality of the concrete will be affected. But finally, we finish our product and we leave it for the next day for concreting. I hope that the formwork will not be too bad. Day 3. Scaffolding. This day, we are required to build a 3-meter high scaffold in a team. At first, I think it will not be a very difficult job. However, we read the drawing wrongly. Therefore, we need to remove them and install them again and again. That took us a long time to fix the wrong insulation. When we have done over half of the work, we found that the scaffolding is not horizontal. That spent us a lot of time for fixing it. The tutor said that the workers only need to spend 15 minutes for making this scaffold, but we have used more than 3 hours. Maybe we should look at the drawing more carefully at first. Before concreting, we need to use the formwork that we made on the day 2 to make a small concrete wall. I'm quite worried about the leakage problem as we finished the formwork not very well. Anyway, we get to start work. We first calculate the volume ratio of cement, sand, and water, and then use the concrete mixer to mix them up. Then we do the stump test and make the concrete cube. After that, we pour the concrete in the formwork. Luckily, the leakage problem is not so serious. I feel more relaxed. Next, we use the vibration stick to get away the air in the concrete. Then, what we can do is only wait for the second day for removing the formwork. I feel excited for watching the result. Day 5. Reinforcement fixing. In this day, we first remove the formwork which we used the day before. Is the excited moment. Although there are some leakage and some honeycomb, we get the first concrete made by ourselves. After that, it's time to learn about reinforcement fixings. We first need to learn how to read the joint. After that, we bend the reinforcement and put them into the formwork according to the joint. We use the wire to fix the reinforcement. After we finished our work, the tutor inspect our work. Although some part of our work is not 100% as same as the drawing, but we get a great experience. Day 6. Brickwork and plastering. During this training, the tutors first showed us about the brickwork and plastering, such as different types of boards. the different type of pattern bond, how to do plastering and wall tightening. He also showed us the defective condition of wall finishing and how to repair it. Moreover, he tells us how to use the hand tools for manual works. Then it is time to practice. We first mix the mortar and then lay the brick with the mortar and build a wall of 2 meter height. When the brick is cool to the corner, we need to cut the brick by hand tools. We repeat it until a 2 meter wall is complete. Moreover, the leveling is not easy to maintain, although we have a lot of tools to check whether it is horizontal. Day 7. NDT and anchoring. Firstly, the tutor showed us how to use the testing machine for the 4 non-destructive testing. They include half-cell potential test, ultrasonic test, ribbon hammer test, and cover meter test. Then we try ourselves. This NDT test is not too difficult to be used, but I think the most difficult point is how to get an accuracy result. For anchoring, we fasten the anchor and then try out the different failure mode, include concrete cone failure, concrete crack, splitting, steel failure. At last, the tutor used the tension machine to demolish push-out failure. In this 7th day, I understand the construction safety is very important, and now we are able to appreciate of good standard of workmanship, and we know the importance of good preparation work. Moreover, the safe use and care of hand and power machine tools is also important. In the 7-day training program, I learned some theory of construction technology, and I also learned how they work in practical. I think it's very useful experience. When I'm working on my summer internship, I must pay more attention on safety, and I don't want to see anyone hurt because of my mistake. I feel that the attitude of the tutors in the PolyU training were very excellent. They are very nice. We check out of class for other daily topic or common hobbies. Therefore, they make us enjoy the lesson very much, and I enjoyed this 7-day training very much. Thank you.